Mike and his family visits a slime factory after school. MJ and London express excitement about getting slimed. They wash their hands before participating in slime activities. The kids create name tags for themselves and their baby sister Germany. They explore different situations, including a slime wall where they stick slime. Various secrets of slime are introduced, and the kids react to them. They engage in a slime launcher activity where they shoot slime at each other. The family moves through different rooms, including a sand room and a slime making station. Kids choose secrets and colors for their custom slime creations. They participate in a slime time event where they get covered in slime. The family enjoys the experience and discusses getting treats afterward. The video concludes with a recap of their fun day at the slime factory. So guys, thanks for watching the video.